Welcome to the innovative world of faceless YouTube channels, where creators captivate audiences without ever showing their faces. These channels thrive on creativity and content variety, demonstrating that connection and engagement with viewers can transcend the visual presence of the creator. Dive into this realm where content is king and anonymity sparks intrigue. Number 1. Gaming Walkthroughs. Gaming walkthroughs provide a step-by-step guide to navigating video games, offering strategies, secrets, and tips to enhance the gaming experience. Channels like Levo and Takaz Gaming exemplify how creators can engage and assist gamers without revealing their identity, focusing solely on gameplay and narration. Their success underlines the gaming community's appreciation for insightful, faceless content that enhances their gaming journey. Number 2. ASMR content. ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, content delivers a unique sensory experience, triggering tingling sensations and deep relaxation through specific sounds and visuals. Faceless ASMR creators, without revealing their identities, master the art of crafting these immersive audiovisual experiences. Their work emphasizes the soundscapes and textures that soothe and relax viewers, showcasing the genre's power to connect and calm without a visible presenter. Number 3. Educational content. Educational channels, such as jaw-dropping science, transform complex subjects into accessible and engaging content without a visible educator. By employing visuals, animations, and clear voiceovers, these channels break down intricate scientific concepts and experiments, making learning interactive and enjoyable. The faceless format emphasizes content quality and educational value, proving that effective teaching can transcend the traditional classroom setting. Number 4. DIY craft tutorials. Channels like Crafty Panda showcase the endless possibilities of creativity with DIY craft tutorials that captivate and instruct without showing the creator. These faceless videos focus on the hands-on process, guiding viewers through each step with clarity and precision. The result is a deeply engaging and instructional experience that encourages viewers to unleash their creativity, demonstrating that visual arts can be effectively shared and taught in a faceless format. Number 5. Ambient soundscapes. Channels like 321, Relaxing, Meditation, Relax Clips specialize in crafting ambient soundscapes that transport listeners to tranquil environments, all without the need for an on-screen host. Through a blend of soothing audio and serene visuals, these channels create immersive experiences that aid in relaxation, meditation, and focus. This faceless approach underscores the power of sound and imagery to evoke calm and mindfulness. Number 6. Language learning. Faceless language learning channels, such as Daily English Conversation, demonstrate the potential of teaching languages without a visible instructor. These channels utilize clear audio, on-screen text, and engaging visuals to deliver effective language lessons. This format allows learners to focus on the content, enhancing their understanding and retention of new languages, proving that visual presence is not necessary for effective language instruction. Number 7. Relaxing study music. Music channels like Lofty Girl are a sanctuary for those seeking a focused or relaxed ambiance, offering continuous streams of calming music without any visual distractions from a presenter. These channels utilize thematic, often animated visuals to complement the audio, creating an immersive environment conducive to study, work, or relaxation. This faceless approach allows listeners to immerse themselves in the music, enhancing their concentration or relaxation. Number 8. Tutorial videos. Tutorial channels like Technology for Teachers and Students provide invaluable guidance, demonstrating various processes and tools in an easily digestible faceless format. By focusing on the content with clear voiceovers and step-by-step visuals, these channels make complex subjects approachable, offering viewers a learning experience that is both effective and engaging. This method showcases how knowledge can be imparted powerfully without the need for an on-screen instructor. Number 9. Motivational content. Faceless motivational channels harness the power of voiceovers and impactful visuals to inspire and uplift their audience. Without a visible presenter, these channels focus purely on the message, delivering powerful advice, inspirational stories, and motivational quotes that resonate deeply with viewers. This format allows the content to stand front and center, proving that the essence of motivation can be conveyed through audio and visual elements alone. Number 10, mystery and true crime. Mystery and true crime channels captivate audiences by weaving intricate stories of intrigue and suspense, all without showing a host. Using a combination of narration, visuals, and sound effects, these channels delve into unsolved cases, historical mysteries, and true crime stories, engaging viewers' curiosity and investigative instincts. The Faceless format enhances the storytelling, allowing the content to grip the viewer's imagination and maintain a focus on the narrative. Number 11, animation and storytelling. Animated storytelling channels offer a dynamic canvas for creators to bring narratives to life without appearing on screen. These channels use animation to tell stories, convey messages, or illustrate concepts, providing a visually engaging experience. Without a visible narrator, the animation itself becomes the storytelling vehicle, allowing for a wide range of creative expression and the ability to connect with audiences of all ages through diverse and imaginative content. Number 12, fitness and yoga instruction. Fitness and yoga channels effectively guide viewers through exercises and routines using clear voiceovers and visual demonstrations, eliminating the need for an on-screen instructor. This approach allows the viewer to focus on the form, technique, and flow of the workout, facilitating a personal and immersive fitness experience. Such channels cater to a wide audience, offering accessible and adaptable content for viewers to follow at their own pace and in their own space. Number 13, nature and wildlife. Nature and wildlife channels bring the splendor of the natural world to viewers, showcasing breathtaking landscapes, wildlife in their natural habitats, and the intricate details of ecosystems without any human on-screen presence. These channels use high-quality videography to capture the essence of the outdoors, allowing viewers to experience the beauty and diversity of our planet intimately, fostering a deeper appreciation and awareness of the natural world. Number 14, tech reviews and unboxings. Tech enthusiasts have mastered the art of sharing their insights and expertise through faceless reviews and unboxing videos. By focusing the camera on the products and employing voiceovers to describe features, performance, and personal opinions, these creators provide valuable information to consumers. This format allows viewers to concentrate on the product details and the reviewer's insights, making the content both informative and easily accessible. Number 15, art and craft demonstrations. Art and craft channels that focus on the creation process allow viewers to see the artist's hands at work, transforming raw materials into finished pieces. These channels provide step-by-step demonstrations, tips, and techniques, inspiring viewers to explore their creativity. By keeping the focus on the artwork itself, these channels create a visual learning experience that is both educational and motivational, encouraging viewers to engage in artistic pursuits. Faceless YouTube channels offer a world of creativity and diversity, proving that compelling content transcends the need for an on-screen presence. With a focus on quality, these channels engage audiences across various niches, demonstrating that innovation and imagination are key to connecting with viewers. Explore these ideas and discover the endless possibilities of faceless content creation.